It all started with smart people. Then came smartphones, smart watches, smart bands, smart bulbs. Seriously? Let's give it a look, shall we? Hello guys, I am Samyak Bakliwal here and we have come a long way in the smart game. A piece of that is a smart bulb. Particularly, I'll be talking about the Mansaa Smartshine bulb, which has gathered quite a name on Amazon. Also, are smart bulbs even worth it? Now, if anyone has any idea about smart bulbs, Philips Hue is the thing to say, thanks to its wide popularity and its functions also hold to it. But the problem is, it's not cheap. Even the starter kit is a bit too not starter price tagged. That's where the Mansaa Smartshine bulb jumps in. Now, it's like most of the smarter than usual bulbs that flood the market, and it's not exactly the best thing. Smart or not, the Smartshine is just another 9-volt LED bulb when compared to the light output of a dumb bulb. But I must like to point out the fact that it is definitely large, mainly because of these long array of metallic rings. So unfortunately the lamp I had no luck whatsoever in covering this bulb, as most of the bulb was out of the shade. This is something I'm not gonna get used to anyhow. The bulb is available in all the bulb mounts. I have the E27 here with me. What makes the Smartshine well smart is the Bluetooth compatibility with the app and all the 16 million plus colors to choose from. That does sound fancy to a good point, but it is still going to be used like just another normal LED bulb. For reference, it glows at 760 lumens at 4000 kelvins. Now, Mansaa says that it has the output compared to that of a 60-watt bulb. I don't know about that, but it does get pretty bright. Of course, that depends on what color you shine the bulb on. All this and some other things can be tweaked in the Mansaa app. I seriously hope that this app was more than what you get, but it has gotten better in the last update, thank God. Yeah, I mean, obviously it does get the job done, but there are many experiences in it that makes it very unsmart. From the moment you try to connect it to the device, it does take time. Like, it's almost a hit or miss experience, but okay, it's the first pair for the bulb, so it does make sense. But then every time you try to connect it to the bulb, it's actually not that bad, but it's still slow. For I'm only gonna wait so long to tweak any color on a smart bulb. Moving my head past that, the UI is also a bit childish. Not complaining there though. It does do all that it promises, at least. You can make groups of bulbs if you have more than one bulb, which all can then act as a hub mimicking the same action. Then you can change the color, anything you want. On that note, the transition and the responsiveness of the bulb to the command is pretty neat and quick. You get a lot of preset scenes in the app, but you can set your own scene, which is basically just on color and brightness, no fancy transition to customize. The provided effects are quite plenty for most of the possible modes you have. They got you covered. Effects, let's party rock. Oh. More strangely, the latest update added music to run along with the mood that you set. I mean, yeah, I appreciate that. Also set alarms, which I can use for the good, and then there's strange response to music mode, which works more like a gimmick for me until you are on party mode, but there is still a bit latency to that. And at last you have the most irrelevant voice search here. Ultra basic, it doesn't even differentiate between light or dark blue, everything is just blue. Okay. Blue. Light blue. Same can be said for when you're trying to get a scene through the voice control. Good luck trying that. All that is fine, alright. Okay, leave all that. Let's be honest, you and me. Okay, let's discuss this finally. Does it actually do any good? Like, honestly, it does at some parts, but not at all schemes they offer. I personally can see myself continuing to use the alarm feature. Some really good effects like kite festival and relaxing mode, I love them. But apart from that, I've just been using them as a good old LED bulb. Obviously, I use it mainly when I'm studying, that is supported by a nice, pleasant shade of white. Also when I'm gaming, I don't know why, but it helps me add so much beauty to my setup to match the color scheme, or might as well break the color scheme. It is one thing for sure that anyone apart from you who is going to come near your setup is going to blow its head off. It does make things look beautiful. If that's what you're trying to achieve, definitely try them out. I mean, they aren't bestseller for no reason, right? That's all I have for you guys today. If you guys like this video, drop a like down below. And please don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. Stay tuned for more. I am Samyak Bakliwal here, and I'll catch you guys later.